How to set high graphic settings for DLS. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So if you want to get the best graphic settings in Dream League Soccer, then I'm going to show you some ways on how you can do that. The first step is to open up DLS on your device. Now tap on the gear icon at the top of your screen and that should open up your settings. Here you want to tap on Advanced. Now tap on this icon right here. So here you want to set the frame rate to 60 FPS. Now change the quality to high. Once you do that, tap on OK. Then tap on Yes. Next thing you want to do is open up your settings and here look for developers options. Now you want to scroll down and find the option that says graphic driver. Once you are here, you want to find the DLS app and now you want to set this to System Graphics Driver. Once you have done that, you want to restart your device and now when you open up the device and then open DLS, you will get the best graphics settings. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.